Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so have you been trying to make the perfect red velvet cake and you've had no luck? Maybe you've tried severally, or maybe this is even your first time and you've never baked before and you stumbled upon this video. You are in luck, because today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips to help you make the perfect red velvet cake without fail every single time. So listen up. The first thing you want to do is use gel food coloring. Yes, don't use liquid food coloring, don't use powder, use gel food coloring, because they have more pigments and that way your color is stronger, and when it goes into the oven it dulls down, but it doesn't dull down too much. Okay, so number 2, use full fat buttermilk. Please don't be cheap on the fat, because it is going to show in your cake. So always use full fat. So number 3, you're using baking soda and vinegar, and make sure to use the exact amount stated in the recipe. That's because this is a slippery slope. So I'm going to help you out. For every cup of flour, you should use 1 teaspoon of vinegar to 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You're welcome. Number 4, use natural cocoa powder. Yes, not Dutch process. Use natural cocoa powder because it helps your cake taste better, and at the same time it makes the color more vibrant. The red color, yes, it makes it more vibrant. So number 5, yes, this is the holy grail. Bake slowly, yes, at 170 degrees. Don't go higher, because you want your cake to bake slowly and more evenly so that it won't turn brown. So guys, for more videos like this, give me a thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys, and see you next time.